बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम सिस्टर्स एंड फॉर्मेटिव क्लास में वेलकम। आज के लेक्चर में हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे फ्यूचर परफेक्ट की, जो कि हमने इसका affirmative, नेगेटिव और इंटरोगेटिव किया था। सो टुडे इज द प्रैक्टिस सेक्शन, जिसमें हम बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए टेंस को उसकी प्रैक्टिस करते हैं 4 to 5 सेंटेंसेस की। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं फ्यूचर परफेक्ट के प्रैक्टिस सेशन की। नंबर 1, शी विल हैव confirmed you. She will have confirmed you. वो तुम्हें confirm कर चुकी होगी, ठीक है, वो तुम्हें confirm कर चुकी होगी. She will have confirmed you. इसका नेगेटिव, she will not have confirmed you. And the interrogative, will she have confirmed you? Next one, I will have eaten food, or we can use me. I will have eaten me. Okay. Next one, I will not have eaten me. Interrogative, will I have eaten me in the last question mark. I will have eaten meal, I have not have eaten meal, will I have eaten meal, right? The third one example, he will have sent you parcel. He will have sent you parcel. Negative, he will not have sent you parcel. Interrogative, will he have sent you parcel in the last question mark. Number 4th example, they will have cancelled the event. They will have cancelled the event. Negative, they will not have cancelled the event. Now go to the interrogative side. Will they have cancelled the event? And the last question mark. So what we are doing practice of present perfect tense. So we just take affirmative sentence, after that we make negative sentence, after that after making negative sentence, what do? We just make interrogative sentence. What is the purpose for that practicing? Just want to better understand you that how we can make future perfect affirmative, negative and interrogative sentences, right? So last one sentences which I am making, and I hope so that you will do practice by yourself at your home as well, right? The third one and the last one is 5th one, I will have made noodles. I will have made breakfast for you. I will have made breakfast for you. Negative, I will not have made breakfast for you. will I have made breakfast for you? And the last question mark. So these all sentences are very easy, very simple. Okay guys, so hope so कि आपको पसंद आया होगा, अच्छा लगा होगा. So मिलते हैं आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग, कीप वॉचिंग. अल्लाह हाफिज़.